of sailing, we're in Lagos, Tinkan Port. This is the view if you're coming into Lagos by sea. See my Igbo brothers containers. Everybody get ready, our containers that have been on the high seas have landed safely. All the markets in Nigeria will hear from us soon. That's our sister vessel that we did the survey with over there. We went over to say hi to them. All this while we've been communicating over the radio and by chat and by email, so we went to have a chit chat with them. Ah, fresh breeze! Fresh breeze, fresh breeze. You know what, Tori? You know what he has said? They shoot bird in Peking die. I want more.
See, making a lot of people about empty places like that, right?
This water taxi, we had a fun ride on it through all these Ikoyi VI areas, all the way to one side of Lekki like that. I don't really know Lekki very well, but they stopped us at the waterfront of one restaurant like that, where we joined the bus. Some people are going to the airport, some to a hotel. I'm going to my home in Lagos because I need to do some Niger food shopping before I go back. You know that must happen. The next day was my birthday. My sister-in-law making a cake for me. Cake with frying pan. Nekwanu cake. Happy birthday cake. Cake in belede. Lolo. I'm going to wait no makai to cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh, hip hip hip, hip hip hip. I'm gonna do. My sister-in-law baked the cake for me. I'm gonna do. Hey, here we have what? Oh lolo. Oh lolo, le kwa nada. Uto kerito. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. All I've done since I came into Lagos is sleep, wake up, eat, sleep again. My sleep routine is just scattered. That's typical after non-stop 7 days a week, 12-hour shifts for 1 month. This non-stop wake up and sleep cycle does something to our bodies. Just negodi my hair. I need to take this one down and make a new one, but I'm knackered. So I'll carry this hair like that back to Bezo. I managed to go to Imbo Market. I didn't buy anything new, so I did not bother to make a video. Please forgive me. I did the usual travel prep, packed my bags, weighed them, and off to the airport I went. What the heck? Have you filled the nonsense form? Have you filled the nonsense form?
No grief for anybody.
No grief for anybody, but Abomination now.
Is it?
You didn't hear what the police said about it on Twitter.
They said you dare not. Like
it's abomination to say it. Really, they don't want to go and do their job. They're saying that it's abomination to say no grief for anybody. Meanwhile, after saying it, Ami came and said no grief for anybody. So we don't know who we should follow. Who has the higher authority?
We don't go agree. We don't agree. Must work for us. Oh
yeah.
Yeah.
If they're gonna walk in the next. Do you think it will work in the next 50 years? We see it forever. 247 electricity we don't have. It's hold my breath.
But we live in hope. We live in hope. You know, I can't go. Nigeria, we love Nigeria. No, Nigeria, I love right? But it is what it is. It is what it is.
Ifelicious. Remember her from our ladies' Greece trip last year? She was in Niger for Christmas, and coincidentally, we were both leaving the same day. And I met Stella and her husband. They were both traveling back to the USA after a fun time in Nigeria for Christmas. So this is Stella, the #1 fan.
I'm your #1 fan.
I know that some of you will be like, Flo, no, but
I'm #1 fan. I follow everything from the A to C.
I met her at the airport, and from what she has been telling me, I mean, there's no video she has not watched.
Oh, all of them.
Everything.
I keep up with it. Including shopping.
Even the tiniest detail hidden inside a long vlog.
Yes.
Like when we went to Oka in June to go and see the land we bought many years ago. This is the kind of information that is hidden inside it. So anybody that tells me that she has watched that part, like, I know that person is following bumper to bumper.
Yes, I watch each step, each day. When I come home, that's the first thing I go and see if you put something else new.
I'm so happy to meet her. And she's so like she's a.
I'm a fan. I'm a fan.
No, I'm just saying that she's a ray of sunlight, like the way she talks.
Yes. I love the cooking part. How you go home and enjoy the village with your mother-in-law. Clean the chicken. I did one.
Cook with traditional utensils or lack of utensils.
Yes. Pluck the orange and
use it as camp.
Yes.
You're so funny.
I have learned a lot from you. Keep it up. Don't stop.
It's because of people like her that I keep uploading videos. Even when I want to run away.
Don't
run.
People
like her.
Don't run.
When I remember people like her, I'll say no, I need to upload this.
Shopping list. You #1.
Or sometimes when I'm making it.
Packing. Look at me. Before I used to wear too many clothes. Look at me. Now I'm simple. And
it's better. It's better. You know, especially when you're traveling. She lives in the US.
I live in the US.
So all the way, all the layovers. No, you don't want that extra baggage now.
All that high heel, I throw them away. I used to tennis shoes.
Yeah, it's because of people like you, honestly. When I want to share something, I'll be like, is this necessary? Maybe everybody knows it, but then I share it and then somebody comes and tells me that particular piece of information. I learned a lot from that. I said, oh, then I'll start sharing everything.
Saving.
No gatekeeping, everything.
I love you.
Oh, I love you.
Yes. Keep it up. You're doing a good job.
I had a long, sweet conversation with Stella. My people, I did not even include half of the heartwarming conversation we had. Stella, I know that you and your husband are watching because you watch literally every single video I put out. You're a wonderful, wonderful lady, and hopefully one day we will meet back home during Christmas or when I come to the US. I arrived safely in Spain, but for the first time in my stay here, my Nigerian food was trashed, binned. Yeah, from my washed bitter leaves to garden eggs, all the fish and stockfish, including the one that I bought for people. Just look at my odaramwandu. Only dry ground stuff and toasted food made it through. Roasted peanuts, ground cocoyam, who was allowed because it was toasted. I am still traumatized. I just stood there looking at the man as he was smiling and trashing my precious Nigerian food. Oh, la. But here are my miracle vegetables. Miracle because they say that vegetables are not allowed. So I still don't know how these vegetables made it through. Thank God it was just me coming back and not all of us because, you know now. Spain has learnt bad thing from the USA and Australia. Oh. So my people, that's how it went. As always, I prep my vegetables like I always do and put them in the freezer. I'll be treating these vegetables like gold now. So which way now? Should I be preparing bitter leaf soup and oha soup in Nigeria, freeze them and bring back? Because what is this? I can't go back to dry bitter leaves, so never. Should I find a lot here and plant these vegetables? But who will wash the bitter leaves for me? It's the worst cooking task ever, and I will never do that. Can ora tree grow in obodo Igbo weather? Questions. Somebody help, else it looks like we have to relocate to a Niger food favorable country. Click the like button to dry my tears. Bye-bye. See you soon.